won't be made. Won't be made on it. This is the best I can do. This is the cleanser I use. It's really gentle, so I like it. Hi everyone. So I did my makeup. I apologize for my voice. It's the morning voice, I guess. Before I start the day, I usually journal and organize my day. I'd like to thank our sponsor for this week's video. If you haven't heard about Notion, it's this application for productivity, just organizing your life, which I really like. It's really easy to access everything. So here's my homepage. You can do it. I have that on there. Here I just organized everything that I have, just all the different tabs I have, so it's easy to access. By the way, I'm just gonna do a little tour before I start doing some journaling and planning for the day. My Notion is heavily based off other YouTubers' Notions because I don't really have an idea, so this is just a mashup of everyone else's ideas. This is not my idea. For this tab, you got this. This is just a extra tab that I have. I go here if I'm bored. If I can't find anything to do, I just go here. Then here's one of my favorite tabs, agenda. If anything to do, I'll write it down here. So I edited yesterday. Moving on, this is my content planner. I put everything here for my YouTube. Like, I plan out everything. Then here's for my journal. I just have a place for my daily entries. And then I have reflections. And then I have some photos I took, just so it's more personal, you know? Then I have my to-do list. This one is just for every week. And then I have my diary. So the difference between my journal and my diary, for my journal, I put more things that I plan out for my life. For my diary, this is more personal. I have my monthly thoughts and I have dreams. I'll just show you an example. Maybe every other day, I like to put in what I'm grateful for. To make a bullet point list, all I have to do is type the slash, and then you have a lot of these different things you can add and do. It's really customizable, which is why I really like Notion, because it's like a diary, and then you can make it your own and do whatever you want, which I really like. And they make it easy too. So it's not like you have to do a lot of code. So, I think I missed it. Bulleted list, and then I just write down what I'm grateful for. I usually do 3 to 5, usually 5. I can go into agenda, and then today I need to pick up a package, so I'm gonna add in film, edit there. What I also like about this is that you can collaborate with people, so if you have anything that's with a bunch of people or a group project, you can easily just connect with each other on Notion. You can see everything. You can see what you're gonna do, the agenda. It's so customizable. You can make it completely your own, and it really helps with productivity. It's basically everything you need. It's easy, it's creative. So I need to pick up a package right now, so I'm gonna check that off. For my outfit, I'm just gonna wear this crop top from Your Style and then these thrifted jeans. And then I will go pick up a package. Okay. And okay, let's go.
The triple combo.
No. Hi everyone, how are you doing? I don't think I did a proper introduction for today's video. So today I'm trying out the That Girl morning routine. It's not very specific. I don't think you have to follow a certain routine. I had no idea what the That Girl routine was about until my mom told me. She's like, oh, you should do this. I'm like, what's this? I've never heard of it before. So I did a lot of research. It's not something you have to completely follow. From what I understand, it's trying to be the best you, trying to be healthy, productive, and just being the best version of you. That's what I've gathered. So you don't have to completely follow one routine. You can just do whatever makes you comfortable at first and then just keep on progressing and pushing forward. And you know, I really like that. I think this is already similar to a lot of my vlogs, but I'm gonna try to do different things so it's not like completely the same as my other vlogs. But yeah, we stopped at Goodwill. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys later. Well, I just came back from grocery shopping and picking up a package from the post office. Okay. I just reheated my tea. This is poricha. This is barley tea. It's my favorite. Oh my gosh. Oh, tsumaita. That one I also love. Tsumaita. My favorite teas. Usually around this time, I just check like social medias while I drink my tea. It's so refreshing. I'm also going to check off on here that I picked up the package. Click. And I'm done. This is so nice. And it looks so nice. I just like looking at it. Let's continue with the tea. I love tea.
Bye.
Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Wow. Here is my food. Oh, it looks so good. Avocado toast. I put the bagel seasoning on top. I used to not really like that, but I like it sometimes when I want some seasoning. Then I have scrambled egg, and then I have a vegetable side. It's bean sprouts and green beans and carrots and chickpeas. There's a lot of different vegetables in there, but it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat because I'm really hungry. I just dropped a bean sprout. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. Ooh, there's also tofu. This is it. Okay, I'm gonna watch Netflix. Healthy and delicious. Did I take a picture? My thumbnail. Oh wow, so pretty. Oh my god, yucky. It's really bright. I can't see. Hi. There's something over there that looks like an alligator. I think it's just a piece of wood. Oh, sorry for the lighting. I cannot tell because I don't have my glasses on. Wow. Such a nice day today. Where should I go? Oh, hi. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, there's so many geese over there. Oh, by the way, guys, make sure to wear your life vest. Adventure. And it smells nice. It's a beautiful day. But oh, what is that? You see the geese. If you're wondering why my paddle's so short, it's just because it's comfortable. Wow. Am I in the sun yet? Can I get in the sun? Okay, I'm gonna turn back because I don't see the sun. Good arm workout. This is my exercise for today because I don't feel like doing anything else. Oh, there's the sun. Oh, this is so bright.
그대 조금만 더 있어줘요.
지금 이대로만 함께해요.
Mallards? I think those are mallards. Hi. Guys, look at this. It's like a painting. Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.
Do 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 do.